Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to dive into the thrilling world of cost accounting. Just kidding. It's not actually thrilling. But wait, before you tune out, let me tell you why it should be. Cost accounting is crucial, especially if you want to, make money. Imagine knowing exactly where your money is going and how to make more of it. And that's where activity-based costing, or ABC, comes in. It's not just another boring accounting method, it's a game changer. Think of it as the Sherlock Holmes of the accounting world, sniffing out hidden costs like a bloodhound on the trail of a particularly delicious biscuit. It's all about uncovering the mysteries of your expenses. Traditional costing methods can be a bit, shall we say, blunt. They lack the finesse needed to truly understand where your money is going. They often just smear costs around like a toddler with a peanut butter sandwich. It's messy and imprecise. ABC, on the other hand, is all about precision. It's like using a scalpel instead of a butter knife. It helps you figure out exactly how much each product or service really costs to produce. Intrigued? You should be. Let's break it down. With ABC, you allocate costs more accurately, leading to better decision-making and improved profitability. Imagine being able to pinpoint exactly where you can cut costs and where you should invest more. That's the power of ABC. So, are you ready to make cost accounting not just important but actually fun? Let's dive deeper and see how it can transform your business. Imagine you're running a bakery, whipping up delicious cakes and simple cookies. Traditional costing might look at the total cost of ingredients and baking time, then divide that by the number of treats. But wait, what about the cakes that require more decorating and fancy frosting? These intricate designs and extra steps add more time and cost. Traditional costing might miss those extra costs, making it seem like your cookies are more expensive to produce than they actually are. This can lead to mispricing and poor decision-making. This is where traditional costing can stumble. It often relies on broad strokes like the total number of labor hours without considering the specific activities involved. It's like assuming all dance classes are the same because they're all an hour long, even though one involves graceful waltzing and the other involves breakdancing with a flock of pigeons. The effort and skill required are vastly different. Spoiler, they're not the same. Just like in your bakery, where the effort to make a simple cookie is not the same as creating an elaborate cake. By not accounting for these differences, traditional costing can lead to inaccurate pricing, affecting your profitability. Understanding the nuances in your production process is crucial. So, while traditional costing provides a basic framework, it often lacks the detail needed for more complex operations. It's essential to dig deeper and consider all the factors that contribute to your costs. This way, you can ensure your pricing reflects the true cost of your products, leading to better business decisions and happier customers. ABC, on the other hand, is all about understanding the details, like a meticulous detective piecing together a complex case. It digs deeper, identifying all the activities involved in making your products or delivering your services. This could include anything from mixing batter and baking to decorating and packaging. Once you've identified these activities, you figure out how much each one costs. Then, you link those costs back to the products based on how much of each activity they use. For example, the elaborate cake uses more of the decorating activity, so it would absorb a larger chunk of those costs. It's about assigning costs fairly, based on actual resource consumption. Let's say you're a dog walker with a thriving business, Lucky Dogs. The first step in ABC is to figure out what activities go into your daily grind. You'll need to be more specific than just walking dogs. Think about it. You're picking up dogs, maybe driving between houses, walking them, maybe playing fetch in the park, scooping poop, the joys, and then dropping them back home. Each of these tasks is a separate activity that contributes to your overall service. Section 5. Step 2. Show me the money, assigning costs. Now for the numbers part. For each activity, you'll need to figure out the associated costs. For example, the driving between houses activity involves gas, vehicle maintenance, and maybe even your Spotify premium subscription. Don't forget to factor in your time. Your time is valuable, so assign an hourly rate to each activity. This will give you a clear picture of how much each task truly costs. Section 6. Step 3. Connect the dots. Products and their activities. Remember those specific dog walking activities we identified? Now it's time to link them back to your products, which in this case, are your different dog walking services. Maybe you offer a basic 30-minute walk, a 1-hour adventure walk with extra playtime, and a special puppy package that includes extra potty breaks and cuddles. Consider how much of each activity goes into each package. The adventure walk, for instance, might involve more driving and playtime, while the puppy package might require more potty breaks. By allocating costs this way, you get a much more accurate picture of how much each service actually costs to provide. Section 7, Real-Life ABC, from cookies to consulting. Let's circle back to the bakery example. Imagine walking into a bustling bakery, the aroma of freshly baked cookies and cakes filling the air. The baker is meticulously decorating a cake, each detail adding to its allure. With activity-based costing, or ABC, you'd be able to see that those elaborate cakes, while delicious and impressive, might be eating into your profits more than you realized. The accountant is reviewing the costs and the baker looks worried as they check the finances. That beautiful cake on the counter with its intricate design might be costing more to make than it brings in. Maybe you need to adjust your pricing or streamline your decorating process. The bakery team gathers to discuss strategies, and the baker starts making changes to the cake decoration process. You might even see price tags being adjusted to better reflect the true cost of production. But ABC isn't just for bakeries and dog walkers. It's a versatile tool that can be applied to a wide range of businesses. Picture a dog walker managing multiple clients, or a bakery storefront bustling with customers. It can be used by businesses of all shapes and sizes, from manufacturing plants to consulting firms. In a manufacturing plant, ABC can help track the cost of each production step, ensuring efficiency and profitability. In a consulting firm, it can help manage the various services offered. Imagine a consultant who offers different service packages. They meet with clients, presenting various options tailored to their needs. A handshake seals the deal, but the real work begins behind the scenes. With ABC, they can track how much time they spend on research, client meetings, report writing, and even those late-night email chains. The consultant works late at their desk, attends client meetings, and writes detailed reports, all while keeping track of the time and resources spent. This helps them price their services fairly and identify areas where they might be losing money. By reviewing their pricing strategy and analyzing financial data, the consultant can pinpoint cost-saving opportunities, ensuring their business remains profitable and efficient. Section 8. Why ABC rocks, the benefits in a nutshell. So why go through all this trouble for more accurate costing? Because, my friends, knowledge is power. ABC gives you a clearer understanding of your costs, which can lead to better pricing. No more undercharging for your awesome products or services. Smarter decisions. Armed with accurate cost data, you can make better decisions about which products to focus on, which services to offer, and where to streamline your operations. Boosted profits. By identifying and eliminating inefficiencies, you can increase your profit margins and become a lean, mean, money-making machine, figuratively, of course. Section 9. Conclusion ABC, your Business BFF. So there you have it, activity-based costing, demystified. It may not be as glamorous as, say, being an international spy, but it's a powerful tool that can help your business thrive. And who knows, maybe with all those extra profits, you can finally afford that solid gold dog leash you've always dreamed of.